Welcome to Newline Intelligent Manufacturing, where innovation meets excellence. The first step in interactive large-screen manufacturing uses fourth-generation high-end industrial AGV transport robots to efficiently execute material handling tasks that leverage advanced navigation and precise positioning capabilities. Back panel robots feature a high-precision visual positioning system, automatic arm gripper, and flipping mechanism for coordinated placement on automated conveyor lines. Robotic systems for gluing, dotting, LED strip application, and tack sticking. Employ high-precision visual positioning and sensor-equipped arm grippers to integrate backlight modules uniformly. Film assembly robots elevate back panels and execute module assembly according to predefined sequences. OC assembly robots integrate high-precision Japanese Keyence vision systems for peeling OC films and employing dual-axis rolling mechanisms to bond and secure OC, thereby mitigating electrostatic damage. Joint screen robots utilize conveyor flip structures to fit front frame glass with backlight modules precisely. Screw locking robots simultaneously secure fixed screws on mainboards, power boards, small backboards, and handle brackets with exacting efficiency. Infrared light grid, sensing automatic lifters transport entire machines to designated testing areas. Safety regulation automatic testing robots conduct and evaluate safety compliance tests automatically, recording results on process cards. Hanging robots equipped with barcode identification and alignment mechanisms autonomously select and execute appropriate programs for suspending large screens on automated lines. Large screen, collaborative writing robots employ 6-axis arms and correction mechanisms for positioning during a PK testing and content generation, culminating in comprehensive functional and interface testing, post 14-step process validation. Outer box fitting robots perform packaging tasks upon machine identification. Online printer robots automatically extract and print large screen label information for seamless attachment. PE buckle installation mechanisms synchronize operations for consistent installation processes. Palletizing robots use barcode automatic identification systems for precise sorting, stacking, and applying top film with infrared sensing. And stretch wrapping for secure large screen bundling and palletization. From intelligent robotics to precision craftsmanship, every step defines our commitment to excellence. Experience the pinnacle of innovation with Newline displays.